Hello icons! I hope you are all doing great. Today, let's talk and learn about a grammar element. I hope you all have an idea as to what pronouns are, right? Today, let's talk about some of the pronouns and see where they are used with a few examples. So ready? Then let's start. We all know that all the naming words are called nouns, right? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of a noun. Instead of repeating a noun in a sentence or sentences, we can replace the noun with a pronoun. You know this already, right? Pronouns take the place of one or more nouns, and they are used in place of a singular noun or plural nouns. Okay, there are some words which are used instead of nouns. Let's see them. The words I, he, she, it. The words I, he, she, it are used instead of singular nouns. The words they and we are used instead of plural nouns. And the word you is used instead of both singular and plural nouns. Okay, there are some more pronouns, but let's talk about these first. Okay, so let's see usage of these pronouns with some examples. Firstly, let's talk about pronouns used in place of singular nouns. Okay, pronoun I. I is a pronoun which is used instead of my name or your name. Okay, so when you want to talk or tell about yourself, you use pronoun I instead of your name. Okay, let's see. I like reading storybooks. So, here I am talking about myself. Okay, instead of writing my name, I used pronoun I here. Let's see some more examples. Do you know where am I going? I am glad that you are all doing great. I have 6 markers with me. So in all the above sentences, I'm talking about myself. Okay. So when we talk about ourselves, instead of writing or telling our name, we use pronoun I. Okay. Now let's see about pronoun he. Pronoun he is used instead of masculine nouns. That means instead of a naming word for a boy or a man. Let's see examples. Raj likes to play tennis. He is my best friend. In this sentence, Raj is a boy, right? And a person. So, it's a boy, person, and it's a masculine noun, right? So, instead of repeating Raj, the naming word Raj again, we can use word or pronoun he. Okay, so he is the pronoun which is used instead of masculine nouns. Let's see one more example. Rohan is very kind. He helps others when in need. Rohan is a boy again. So, boy is a masculine noun and a person. So, we replace Rohan with he in the next part of the sentence. Let's see one more example. He bought an Audi car. Does he know how to speak Hindi? So, in the next 2 sentences also, it was speaking about a masculine noun, a boy or a man. So, we replaced the name of that boy or a man with he. Okay, so he is a pronoun used in place of a masculine noun. Okay, let's see next pronoun. Pronoun she. Like he, pronoun she is used instead of feminine nouns. That means instead of names of girl or a woman, only for persons. Okay, let's see with examples. Reena lives nearby my house. She comes to play with me. Okay, Reena is name of a girl. Okay, and a feminine noun. So we replace Reena with she. Instead of repeating Reena again, we use pronoun she and we frame the sentence, right? Next sentence. Aunt Seema lived in Canada, but she is back to India now. So this sentence is talking about Aunt Seema, who is a woman, feminine noun. So instead of repeating the naming word Seema, we replace with she, pronoun she. Let's see next example. She was watching a cartoon show on TV. Okay, so pronoun she is used in place of a feminine noun which is singular. Let's see about the next pronoun. Pronoun it. Pronoun it is used instead of names of things or animals and is used when we talk about singular thing or singular animal. Okay, let's see with an example. Sheila's bag is very heavy. There are many books in it. Here we are talking about the thing bag, Sheila's bag. We are talking about Sheila's bag. So in the next part of the sentence, if we see, it's written as there are many books in it. It indicates thing bag here. So we replaced bag with pronoun it. Okay. Let's see one more example. Goldie is my pet dog. It loves to play with a ball. So this sentence has an animal. Okay. It indicates that Goldie is a pet dog. It talks about an animal, and in the next part of the sentence, we did not use the naming word again. We replaced it with it. So in place of dog, an animal, which is a noun, we used a pronoun it. So it is used instead of a thing, a naming word of thing or an animal. Okay. So, and it's used only for singular nouns. So, the pronouns I, he, she, it are used instead of singular nouns. Now, let's talk about pronouns which are used instead of plural nouns. Pronouns they and we are used instead of plural nouns. First, let's see about pronoun they. Okay, let's see with examples. Soha and Neha went to the market. They bought vegetables. In this sentence, Soha and Neha are two different persons, right? And it means it is plural. They are two different persons, more than one, and it is plural. So instead of Soha and Neha, they is being used. Pronoun they is used. Okay, we don't say she and she went to the market. Instead, we use they, pronoun they, if there is more than one person. Okay, let's see one more example. They are meeting me after a long time. Here, in the above example, there were only two persons. Okay, but in this example, they can be more than two persons also. Okay, so we replace persons. Okay, persons with pronoun they. Next example. Pronoun they is also used for animals which are plural. Let's see with example. Cows are on the hilltop. They are grazing grass. Okay. Here, cows is the noun. And who are grazing grass? Cows are grazing grass. And in the next part of the sentence, the noun cows is being replaced with the pronoun they. It's talking about cows, right? So instead of repeating the word cows, we use pronoun they. Let's see one more example. I like reading books. They are so interesting. Here, they is used instead of things, books. So, the sentence is talking about books. So, books is being replaced by pronoun they in the next part of the sentence. Okay. Let's talk about one more pronoun which is used instead of plural nouns. Pronoun we. Pronoun we is used to talk about more than one person, including us. Let's see with examples. We are all from grade 2. Okay. We is the pronoun here. It is used instead of both of us, like you as well as me together, or whoever is in grade 2. Okay. Let's see one more example. The Good Dinosaur is a good movie. We enjoyed watching it. Again, we here talks about both of us and whoever watched along with us. Okay. Where are we going today? I think you got it now. Yeah, we is used to talk about more than one person, including ourselves. Okay. Now let's see about pronoun which is used for both singular and plural nouns. Pronoun you. Let's see with an example. Are you all coming tomorrow? Here you is the pronoun, and from the sentence we can tell that it is a plural noun. It is more than one person. Are you all? So it's plural. So here you, pronoun you is used instead of a plural noun, more than one person. Now let's see one more sentence. You are looking tired. So here you is used instead of a person, a naming word. Okay. So it talks about only one person. Now let's see one more sentence. I sent you a message. Here, pronoun you can be singular or plural. Okay. So, pronoun you is used instead of singular nouns or plural nouns.